bird. This is a baby.
Yeah, and it needs its mom. Oh my gosh. It's so cute.
If I knew where the nest was, I don't see.
I think I know where the nest is.
Where?
Wow.
I saw a nest over there.
Well, how could it? Don't you think it would have died if it was a baby and it fell out of the tree?
Well, I mean,
It might have kind of just fluttered down a little bit.
yeah, but it doesn't look big enough to fly.
It doesn't.
Maybe
Maybe its nest is like kind of like down low or something and it didn't really hurt it.
Don't step on it.
Don't step on it, Maddie.
Let me see if I see a nest.
There is a nest over there, but it's over on the front.
Yeah, it's way over there.
Don't step on it.
It looks like it has blood on it. It has
You
red stuff in it.
You realize it's red when if it's a baby. It's probably still gonna. It looks like it's fuzzy, not feathery.
Notice he has blood in his nose. He must have
Maddie,
fell
how
out.
about you stop moving?
Yeah,
Keep
you're
your
gonna
eye
step on it.
Okay.
Maybe like if you pet its head or something.
No.
I'm glad that I didn't step on it when she was out here.
No, I do not see
A nest.
a nest.
Where should we put it then? What should we do? Maybe one of these birds here is its mom or something.
He's
But
trying
she
to
can't
fly.
pick it up.
Mommy, his wings are like doing this, and he's trying to fly. Now he's looking at
Poor little baby. Let me show you the nest that's up here. It's way up high, the nest that's up here. Let me show you. Oh, see, it's way up here. Look, see that right there?
Oh, right there.
Yeah, do you see it?
Yeah.
That couldn't be the nest, though. Maddie, don't step on it. I feel like she's stepping on it. I don't know. I don't know.
Well, I can't get it back up in that nest, so.
It's walking. It's walking away.
Do you think we should take it inside?
It's walking away.
Look. Look.
It's a baby bird.
He fell out of his nest, I think.
Where's it at?
It's so cute. I'm afraid to leave it sitting here. James is inside, but something else could get it real easy.
Yeah, like one of those
And I don't see a
dogs.
nest anywhere that I could reach to put it back into. Oh, look at you, cute thing.
Once you touch them, the mother won't have anything to do with them, though, will they?
I've read that that's a myth,
Oh,
so but I don't really know.
Maybe you should look up how to take
But I
care
don't
of
know
a
what to
random.
do with it. What would I do with it?
Put it in a box and feed it
if
crackers.
everybody would go away, the mother might find it.
Yeah, but she can't pick it up.
Yeah, she wouldn't be able to do anything.
What would she do if she did get it?
Teach
It
it
has
to fly.
Does it look big enough to fly?
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't.
He's still a baby, Mommy, so he probably...
Yeah, it's still fuzzy looking.
Well, what
Yeah.
would you do? Just try to feed it?
Yeah, we could
Put it in a
feed
box or something and try to feed it? I don't know.
Hold on. When we get inside, we need to get your phone and we can look it up.
I can
Look up
go
how to
get your
take
phone,
care
Mommy.
of a baby bird.
Somebody
Look
make
how
sure...
cute.
Somebody make sure the bird doesn't fly away or something.
Oh, okay, Maddie, we got it.
Yeah, I doubt it can fly. Well, hurry up.
Oh.
No, don't go away. We're trying to put you in a box so you can take care of. It doesn't seem to be afraid of us. Seems like it's trying to find it. chirp to find its mom.
I'd say some of this chirping is its mother, but I don't know how the mother could help it. I can't imagine that she could pick it up, so I don't know. I see them.
Hurry, Maddie, come on before it escapes.
It's not going anywhere.
I know. But it was right here, and now it's over there.
Who is he? He moved fast.
Keep an eye on him. What to do when you find baby birds.
Hey, you're using a lot of video right now.
I know.
It says if you find a fledgling, it should be left alone or at the most placed in a nearby shrub. Keep people and pets away so the